The chicken video.
Bora lá, hein? Isso mesmo.
Sem chegar e foi só correr pro braço.
Aê! Filma eu aqui, filma eu! Então bota a boca no moleque. Quer mastigar gigante? A boca do moleque. Ela tem é gostosa pra caralho. Olha aqui pros caras, velho.
Couple million in stack, couple clips of the Mac and leave your brain on the mag. Niggas hating, send them to Satan, show me where they at. I got niggas in the front, I be posted in the back while you sleeping. I be up in your living room creeping. I know where you be and where you hang on the weekend. So watch what you're speaking, your brain start leaking. You be talking to the demons when the text starts sneezing. You niggas got a problem, well fuck it, I'ma solve them. I done came from the gutter, I was raised from the bottom. Lil TK, I got him, I hit him with the llama. If I can't get him in, I be waiting at his mama. And he don't want the drama, I come through in the beamer. And tell me how you seen him, I steal him like the cleaners. If you niggas want it too, I can show you where to meet. I tell a nigga like this, lack of communication can get you hit. Raising shirt, took her the wrist and spit. I'm on that get rich shit, that get rich shit, you don't want it with me. You ain't got more money than we. We on that get rich shit, that get rich shit. We on that get rich shit, that get rich shit. I said first off, nigga, fuck the click you claim. Fly society, nigga, here to do the thing. Middle of the summer, damn right, I make it rain. Every nigga I roll with, papered up. Lamborghini, damn, my nigga, what's up? Titanium black cars, you know what's up. Drop them on mama bitches' backs and tell them do push-ups. Baby girl, you know what's up. If I act Hollywood, then nigga, you ain't hood. So either way it go, we got a point across. I do it how I do it, cause a nigga love floss. Get it at any cost, nigga, I'm a boss. I said it before, nigga, I make it rain. And if niggas got problems, then they seeing the Iron Man. Blow a nigga back, tell a nigga get down, Jack. You don't want to feel the repercussions of this gas. Tell a nigga like this, lack of communication can get you hit. Raise a shirt, took her the wrist and spit.
A vitória é em Jesus.
Não era isso.